maybe we don't know each other, but I'm sure we will meet one day. Let me introduce myself. I am a red Porsche 911. I was born in Stuttgart on March 4th, 1965, as one of the first of my kind. My first trip took me to Dortmund, where I lived a life of an extraordinary sports car with my owner, Mr. Werner. Was I happy? You bet. But then I was sold and traveled to Laguna Hills in California to serve as a rally car. I loved being tortured. I loved the rough surface under my tires. I even forgave my owner for shaving my eyes off, modifying my fenders, and making me wear fat tires. Years went by, I got old, and my job was done. I thought I was going to die. But then something extraordinary happened. I was brought back to Europe to rediscover my original pristine condition. Rebuilding my body was a long journey, but I was patient, and in the end, it paid off. When they started me for the first time, I couldn't believe it. I was me. Finally, I could be proud of myself again. And in the end, there are no tears. Just pure happiness. Thanks to vehicle experts, I'm ready for new chapters. And I hope I will meet you soon. Until then, I wait. Your red Porsche 911.